No, don't even zoom in. Yeah, when I say zoom into the bowl, look right into the bowl.
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
What do I do?
Don't press nothing.
All right.
This is just for me when I'm editing.
All right.
It's recording, right? You got me in the top frame right here?
Yeah.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Hey, you guys. This is a Lazy Motop Productions, King Daddy crew. Fucking the first installment of the Geetto Goremaaay, you guys. I thought I fucked up on this bacon. I burned some bacon. Can you see that, Big Lou? Big Lou's the camera guy. Yeah, I burnt this bacon. Zoom back up, get me in the frame. But did I fuck up? No. I'm gonna teach you motherfuckers how to make homemade barbecue sauce today, you guys. First, I got this nice little ashtray I found, because we're the Geetto Goremaaay, you guys. And you fucking get this burnt bacon and you crunch it up. Nice and fucking crunchy. And this is gonna be burnt bacon crunch. We're actually putting the smoke into your barbecue sauce I'm gonna help you make right here. Alright, you guys? No fucking joke. Okay? So you get you get it nice and crunchy. This is gonna be the smoke, alright? This is gonna be the smoke. Throw it in there. We're gonna crunch it up a little bit more. And this is my dad's ultra famous recipe of fucking barbecue sauce, dude. Cause like we was ghetto. We didn't have shit all the time. We couldn't just
We
go
lived
steal
in
it.
Westminster.
Don't say nothing, Big Lou. This is my shit. You're just the camera guy. It's like, no, that was my dad. But we were broke. We lived in Westminster. And we had to make our own shit, dude. You know what I mean? And like some of these pieces are gonna be too big and not burnt all the way. You don't want that shit in there. You want the burnt shit, just the smoke. Alright, this is gonna sound strange and different, you guys. This is how you start a good barbecue sauce. Mixed berry jelly, strawberry, blueberry, or you could just go the straight blueberries good, right? Big Lou or grape, blueberry grape. But the mixed shit is all good. Big chunk of fucking jelly in there, you guys. Then you throw, we're gonna have to use the rest of this ketchup, right, Big Lou?
Yep.
Perfect amount, you guys, you know what I mean? Bam. This shit's OG. This is like the old school Mexican barbecue sauce shit. I'm not even joking.
I was just showing them you watching you pour.
Hell yeah. Shit, this is perfect amount, huh, Big Lou?
I got it.
We're gonna put this on some chicken or some ribs. It goes good on pretty much anything, right, Big Lou?
Yep.
And we're gonna make just enough to fucking have it for like a month or so. Red chili powder. This is brought to you by Nikolo's. Thanks, guys. Adam over there at Nikolo's. I'll bring it back when I'm done. Probably this Saturday. So red chili pepper. You got your regular black pepper. Just toss a big chunk of it in there. Garlic salt. You always need garlic salt. Nobody likes vampires, right, Big Lou? Fucking garlic salt for sure. Big old chunk of that. And then my dad don't really like this because we tricked him into drinking a lot of it at one time. Soy sauce, all right, you guys. All right, just a couple splashes of this shit though, right here.
Good splashes, baby. Good splashes.
Yeah, good splashes. This is gonna bring that smokiness from the bacon out. This soy sauce right here. So get it deep on there. Couple good fucking chunks, and then we're gonna fucking stir this shit around really good. Just mashing those chunks everywhere. This is my own sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. Great for chicken, great for ribs, great for a beef brisket. What do we get it on? That tri-tip, huh, Big Lou? We smashed our own fucking barbecue sauce on a tri-tip. And man, this is gonna be delicious. I already know it. It's all about that jelly, you guys. That's gonna be the sweetness, the jelly, and then that smokiness from the burnt bacon. This is perfect, you guys. This is gonna be the shit. Tell me, you guys, what do you want me to put it on? Chicken or some ribs? Comment, whatever, or tell me how to open mic tonight. All right, laters, you guys. Peace out. Geetto Goremaaay strikes again.
That was slick. Do that peace sign again, huh?